morning to all of you, and good night to all of you. I've got to call it here right away. It's late. I woke up crazy late as well today, on top of the fact that I also had to edit the video from yesterday. So here I am. This video is incredibly short. I've been kind of busy today though. My cousin's birthday was today, so I kind of just focused on that. We were at a party from about, I think it was about 6 to, I think it was like 10:30 we got home. So it was kind of a long party, but we were there for a while, and I had, like I said, I already woke up late, so it was already late when I started the video, so I'm sorry about that. A few quick updates. First one, my truck, I think we figured out what the issue is. We think it's one of the coils that are connected to, I think, cylinder 2, which is the front one, so we've got to figure out a replacement or something for that one. My dad looked it up though, and he said it was anywhere from about $50 to $100 for a new one. So we're gonna find a new one. It's really easy to replace though, luckily. It's just underneath the airbox in the truck, so that's easy to take apart. You just take it off and remove the hoses and you're fine. By the way, when I started my truck earlier today, it wasn't skipping a beat. The cylinder was firing. Cylinder 2 was firing, so I guess it takes a little while for, after it's started up and warmed up, maybe it starts messing up a little bit. I'm not entirely sure, but it's just a matter of getting to it now. The second thing that I wanted to get to as well is that we're going to be taking a ton of tile over tomorrow to the new house, so that's going to be kind of a busy thing. We're going to be using my uncle's truck because mine's out of commission, so we're going to be using his truck to take about 20 small boxes of tile and a bunch of grout over to the house. We're going to have some people laying down tile and stuff, and as I was explaining, a bunch of renovations are being done to the house. So we're taking over the tile that they picked out, and that'll be that tomorrow. I think that's all I can get to really tonight. It's kind of late, and I do want to wake up at a decent time tomorrow because we are going to be leaving pretty early, just so we can get my uncle's truck back to him. Because he may need it for later in the day. I hope you've all enjoyed this video anyways. It's a strange one because it's mostly just me standing here talking last minute, but yeah, like I was saying, I've just been crazy busy. I'll try not to do that tomorrow though. I hope you've all enjoyed this video anyways. Thank you all so much for watching. Good night to all of you, and see all of you in the morning tomorrow.